today we're here with Hike Armenia. We are volunteering with part of the trail maintenance crew. What we're doing is some trash pickup and also some maintenance of the trails, basically widening trails and maintaining the trails so that way it's easier and safer for people to walk on.
Next big section is around this corner.
I started using Hike Armenia, the app, and I found out that they had these trail maintenance clubs, so I thought it would be really cool to get to know other people who are interested in hiking here and just help the organization a bit and give back, because I think what they're doing here is really important. And as a foreigner coming here, I think it would be really hard to know where to go and how to hike here without Hike Armenia. So I'm grateful to be able to help them. Despite the fact that it's a small country, I feel like every place I've been to has a slightly different flavor. And the other thing that delights me the most is so much of the country still feels untouched, even, despite the work that Hike Armenia has done. You really feel like you're kind of out in the middle of nowhere, out in the openness, in the country. And it's a really special feeling. And yeah, I think it makes you really feel connected to this country and its history. So I'm enjoying that.
If you're looking to get involved with Hike Armenia, feel free to reach out. I would say be aware that the trail maintenance does involve some physical activity. So if that's a problem, there are other projects you can get involved with in different cities like Yerevan, Gyumri, and Vanadzor. It's a great idea to get outside and get your hands dirty while cleaning up the environment and helping the local organization.